Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology in the Future. Today we're diving into some exciting news that just surfaced from the FCC, and if you're into compact gear, this one's going to catch your attention. A brand new name has popped up. In the filings, the DJI Osmo Nano. Just from that name alone, it's clear we're talking super small. Pocket-sized action, the kind of tiny that's made for capturing moments without getting in the way. There are two model numbers listed, O01 and OD01. While they might seem like generic codes, there's speculation that one is the camera itself and the other could be an accessory, possibly a detachable screen. Sound familiar? That's because it brings back memories of DJI's Action 2, the modular, magnetic design that let users mix and match components based on their needs. Although DJI later returned to a more traditional form factor with newer models, this Osmo Nano leak hints that the modular era might be making a comeback, and just in time, too. With compact competitors like the GoPro Hero 11 Mini and Insta360 Go 3S dominating the market, DJI could be looking to reclaim the spotlight in the ultra-portable camera space. Rumored features. Some early buzz suggests the Osmo Nano might feature a refined magnetic mounting system, AI-enhanced stabilization, improved thermal performance to avoid overheating. All of that in a body that you can clip to your bike, attach to a drone, or wear without even noticing it's there. It sounds like a dream setup for vloggers, extreme sports fans, or FPV drone pilots. While we're on the topic, let's not forget the Osmo 360, another upcoming device that surfaced in FCC documents a while back. Word is, it's going to feature a dual-lens 360-degree setup designed to challenge the GoPro Max and Insta360 X series. There's even talk of a 1.3-inch sensor, maybe even a full 1-inch sensor, which would be huge for immersive 360 footage. With both the Osmo Nano and Osmo 360 likely on the way, and rumors swirling about more gear like the Mini 5 Pro, or even an updated Avatar drone, DJI seems poised for a big wave of releases. Final thoughts: FCC appearances usually mean a product is just weeks or a couple of months away, so now's the time to get excited. Whether you're into compact cameras, panoramic shots, or just love cutting-edge tech, there's a lot to look forward to. If you're passionate about the latest in drones, action cameras, and innovative tech, make sure you subscribe to Technology in the Future and hit the bell so you never miss an update. And drop a comment below. Are you more hyped for the ultra-tiny Osmo Nano or the immersive Osmo 360? Catch you in the next video. Stay sharp, stay curious.